Keeping up with maintenance on your diesel engine can be a difficult task. Finding quality parts shouldn't have to be. Talk to the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts. Save up to 50% off OEM prices on engine rebuild kits, turbochargers, cylinder heads, and more for light, medium, and heavy-duty applications. Same quality, performance, and reliability as OEM. Visit highwayandheavyparts.com or call and get connected with one of our certified diesel techs for expert advice and service to get you back on the road. Parts ship in 2 days or less from one of our nationwide distribution centers. Fast and easy ordering. Diesel engine parts that exceed OEM specifications. Shipped right to your door. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.